Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your clips into Premiere and aligned. First, import everything with Media Browser so metadata stays intact. This avoids timecode errors later. Once done, create a bin and duplicate master clips so you have a safety copy. Make sure sequence settings match your main clip, frame size and frame rate, because mismatches cause scaling and speed problems. Now select the clips you want to merge. Keep takes organized by label or numbering to speed the edit. Next, assemble and sync so your merged clip plays seamlessly. Drag your chosen clips onto one timeline track in the intended order and trim rough ins and outs. Quick trims set pacing. If audio exists on separate files, use merge clips or auto sync by audio waveform to align takes precisely. Once clips are aligned, add markers for edit points and perform overwrite edits to replace gaps. Make sure transitions are minimal when merging. You want continuous action before applying crossfades. Finally, create a single merged clip by selecting the assembled clips and choosing Nest. This keeps everything tied together for effects and color grading. Once nested, add any transitions or audio crossfades. Adjust clip gain so levels are consistent. If you need a consolidated source file, export using match sequence settings for lossless or H.264 for delivery. If things go wrong, reopen the original bin, compare synced waveforms, and renest after fixing offsets. This resolves most sync and gap issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.